Hello, my name is Jennifer DeLeon, and I am an SI tutor sponsored by the Office of Student Success. Today I will be letting you know about EDTC 1341, and that is a class offered through the Education and Training Program, and it is taught or instructed by Dr. Desjardins. Today I will be going over Tux Paint. We will have a Tux Paint project in the class, and this is a little tutorial about how pretty much to run Tux Paint. So today what I'm just going to show you are the ins and outs of Tux Paint, and we're going to go ahead and start with the beginning, and that is you open up Tux Paint, and this is pretty much, you're going to need to click on New, and it'll take you to this page. This page gives you a variety of different colors and options to start the program with, and you pick whichever color you want or whatever background you want. So today I'm just going to pick blue just to start. So once you pick blue, you double click. Let's see. Okay, and it's going to bring you your screen. Once you bring up your screen, you have a variety of different options, and I'm just going to go over a couple with you today to give you kind of a heads up on what you need to do. The most important one that you might be using are the stamps. So once you click on stamps, it'll give you a variety of different stamps between animals, shapes, birds, all different kinds of stuff. So today I'm just going to use these little Tux Paint animals to give you a demonstration. So you just basically click on the stamp, put it on the screen, and click, and it'll enter it on the screen. If you choose to put another one down here in the right hand corner, there is a size option, and you can either make the penguin itty bitty, or you can make him super huge, and it's up to you whichever one you want to do. So let's just say we put him in there. We're going to put a bunch of him in there. Then we go to paint. Paint is basically just like paint on any other thing. You click on the color that you want, you click on the different points here, you can color, you can make different shapes, a whole bunch of different stuff. Now the next thing you do is magic. Magic is my favorite one because this will really make your project stand out. If you click on, one of the options is grass. You click on grass and click on green, of course, and you can place grass here instead of coloring in grass. So it gives you that option. Now let's say you color in the grass. Another really cool thing is flowers. The flowers, you can click on the flower, click on whatever color you want, and it places the flowers, so you don't actually have to draw the flowers out. It has, let's see, railroad tracks. It has rain. You can click rain and do that. Now, let's say you get through all this and you put all this on here and you look at it and you decide the last couple of things that you put on there you really didn't like. It gives you an undo option, and the undo option, if you click on it, it takes back everything you do. It pretty much undo almost everything. I think it goes back like 10 clicks. Let's say you accidentally undo something you don't want. There's also a redo button, and you can put back everything you just undid. So another important thing is the text. The text is kind of tricky. It's what I had the most issues with, and now I figured it out. Is you basically type in whatever you want to put in there. Let's say we're just going to use Tux Paint. You can't just enter in Tux Paint and expect it to stay there. With Tux Paint, what you have to do is you actually use your mouse to click it and put it in whatever corner or whatever position you want it in. And once you've found a perfect spot for it, you click enter and it'll paste it in there. But until you press enter, it won't. Another really important part of this Tux Paint project is after every slide you must save. You need to save every single slide. Save it on your desktop. It'll save to your desktop. That's very important because you can do 10 different slides, and if you don't save them, you're going to have to do it all over again. Once you save it, you can open, and it'll open your book and let you see what you've done through the slides. So then you can go back. Once you go back, you've saved all that, then you're pretty much ready to go. You just make sure that you save it. And once again, this is a project. I believe Dr. D's project requires you to do 10 pages. So if you have any questions, the lab in Building C, it's C121. Charlie, Clara, and myself will be in there, and we'll be able to help you. Tux Paint is on every computer there in the C121 lab, and everybody, Clara, myself, and Charlie, are well equipped to help you with any questions you have. Thank you so much for your time, and my name is Jennifer DeLeon, and I'm with the Education and Training Department, and I'm represented by the Office of Student Success.